For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Kannada film industry has suffered losses to the tune of 1,000 crore rupees because of the lockdown. It has not received any benefits from the government in form of tax concessions or a stimulus package. Shivraj Kumar has taken over reins of Sandalwood and is leading from the front. Now a delegation led by Shivraj Kumar met Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayan and put forth their demands. The Sandalwood industry has demanded a stimulus package for television and film workers, a tax exemption from movies, theatres and tickets. They have demanded the opening of movie theatres and resumption of full-scale shoots. Producers, distributors and publicists too have suffered due to the lockdown. Small producers, budding directors and actors raised loans for their ventures and the lockdown has affected them. Crew members working in films have also been badly affected as they work on day-to-day or weekly wages.
The Kannada film industry is going through the worst crisis ever. There are many among us who have lost their jobs and livelihoods. The challenge right now is to put our heads together and chalk out strategies to tide over these tough times. After discussions with everybody, we plan to submit a memorandum to the government and request a relief package.
Meanwhile, shooting has resumed in Sandalwood, but the weather is proving to be a problem as it has been raining. It is due to weather conditions that many film shoots have been stalled even before they began. Some film teams are using this time to constructively shoot movies which require this weather. One such film is Salaga, where the team has braved the odds and rains. The songs have been shot in the rain in Sakleshpur and Mullayanagiri. Salaga team is shooting a duet song composed by Charan Raj, starring Vijay and Sanjana Anand. The movie has been produced by KP Srikanth under Venus Productions. The movie will be ready soon and the post-production is underway, but theatres are yet to open. In another development, the competition seems to be intensifying in the Sandalwood film industry as there are many big movies up for the release. There are 5 big movies that will be clashing at the box office in the Sandalwood industry. Dhruva Sarja's Pogaru, Darshan's Robert, Dunya Vijay's Salaga, Yash's KGF 2 and Shivraj Kumar's Bajrangi 2 will be up for release. The film industry will also need to chart out these releases carefully as one success at the box office could hurt others and it will be a disaster. The distributors and producers too have raised these concerns repeatedly, but rest assured all of them have joined hands to make sure that they will pull out Sandalwood from trouble. The future of Sandalwood now hangs in the balance.